Warmly welcome to Valmet Service Center in Laem Chabang, Thailand.
At Valmet Service Center in Laem Chabang, we offer advanced roll technology, industry-leading roll covering solutions, and comprehensive maintenance and upgrade services for fiber equipment, as well as rolls for pulp, board, paper, and tissue production processes. Our mission is to empower our customers to achieve peak production efficiency and reliability by eliminating unplanned shutdowns, extending equipment lifetimes, reducing energy consumption, enhancing end product quality, and lowering long-term maintenance costs.
We tailor our solutions to meet the unique needs of each customer, ensuring top-notch services with prompt and reliable deliveries.
Our roll covers, utilizing advanced polymer and thermal coating technologies, provide exceptional wear resistance and durability. With Valmet's extensive paper-making experience and process expertise, you can select the ideal roll cover for your specific process needs. Additionally, our innovative iRoll technology improves production efficiency and product quality by assuring optimal machine runnability.
We are committed to maintaining a safe and secure workplace for all our employees every day.
Valmet's modular maintenance solutions, including roll maintenance, reconditioning, and upgrades, ensures maximum performance and reliability. Our roll upgrade services are designed to reduce energy and water consumption while improving machine runnability. Our workshop services ensure high availability and optimal performance for key equipment such as twin roll press rolls, top separator screens, and plug screws. We provide high-quality OEM spare and process parts, delivered at the right time to ensure the reliability of your production line. Since 2006, we have been manufacturing suction roll seals for customers worldwide from our Laem Chabang Service Center. Through the Valmet Performance Center, you have easy remote access to process, automation, and maintenance expertise, no matter where you are located. Our strategic location allows us to efficiently serve the entire Asia-Pacific area.
We hope you enjoy this virtual tour and eagerly await your visit to provide exceptional services for your equipment.